Where did you come up with this crazy name?
Oh, Tezos. Well, no, Tezos is really how's it called, smart contract in ancient.
All right, hi everyone. My name is Arthur Breitman. I'm going to do a short presentation about Tezos. I want to leave one important idea tonight is that yes, there are algorithms at play, there are mathematics, but in the end, we're dealing with human systems. What is proof of stake? So as you may know, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum uses a proof of work mechanism for consensus. That means that they rely on mining. You expend computing energy to show that you've consumed real world resources, and that gives you the right to participate in a consensus group. That's proof of work. Proof of stake is the idea that you're going to do consensus instead by using your own cryptocurrency as a signal control mechanism.
One of the strongest use cases for blockchain is tokenizing real-world assets. This means that anyone can own a fraction of assets like real estate or securities rather than purchasing the total amount. For example, you can own 0.25% of a building in New York City or own 25% of one Amazon share. This next wave of tokenizing real-world assets are called STOs, or Security Token Offerings. The largest standalone investment bank in Latin America, BTG Pactual, will utilize Tezos blockchain to host $1 billion of security token offerings. In addition, Elevated Returns, a securities firm, will tokenize $1 billion of real estate on Tezos blockchain. Tezos is emerging as the clear leader for STOs, and here are 3 reasons why institutions like TokenSoft are choosing Tezos as the best platform for tokenizing assets. 1. Institutional-grade smart contracts. The Tezos blockchain facilitates formally verified smart contracts. This means, prior to sending $1 billion over the blockchain, you can run a formal test to simulate it to ensure it will execute smoothly. 2. Secure custody. A formally verified multi-signature contract is now included natively within the Tezos client software. This enables cold storage deployment and management of smart contracts for the highest level of security. 3. Upgradability. Tezos includes a formal mechanism by which stakeholders can upgrade the protocol. This enables Tezos to smoothly adopt new technical features and stay at the cutting edge.
The idea is that the people who can participate in consensus are the people who hold the cryptocurrency as opposed to the one expending efforts on the outside. And the main benefit of using proof of stake is that you don't need as much inflation because you don't need to destroy real world resources to do this. And so in some sense it is a much cheaper mechanism. You can have much lower inflation. It's really funny because if you want to troll really hardcore Bitcoin maximalists who say like Bitcoin is about sound money, you will say, well, actually, if you want to make Bitcoin work, you need a block reward. There's a lot of like Bitcoin core developers that agree on that. There's academic papers about that. It's pretty clear you need a block reward. And if you keep having a block reward at infinitum, you're going to have inflation. So the least inflationary cryptocurrency you can build is proof of stake. So if you're really all about sound money, you should defend proof of stake. Tell people like, I prefer proof of stake because I like sound money.
Those are mine.
Choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things. Not because they are easy, but because they are hard.